Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can display the Telnet server. The Telnet server is mainly it's in the shape of a command prompt, but also it executes many other commands related to your computer or accessing some web servers. Yes, like that. So basically, we are going to see how you can enable it, because if you type in the search box, like for example, type in the search box Telnet, as you can see there's no Telnet, so we are going to first enable it. So these are the steps to enable it. First, we are going to go to the search box and then we are going to type in control panel. So once we have arrived at our control panel, we are going to press on it. So now, if you have this interface, you should now see where it's written programs, just right here, and then we're going to click on it. Now, after having clicked on the programs, all you have to do is to look and search where it's written turn on Windows features on or off. Then you're going to click on it. Now, these are all Windows features that some are on and some are off, so you're going to have to enable it. Now scroll to find where it's written Telnet client, which should be right over here, and then you're going to enable it by checking its box, and now you're going to press OK. It should take a while, but once it's enabled, go to the search box and then write in Telnet, and then you should have it. So basically that's it for today, and thanks for watching.